hear that bird? He just sounded off. He sounds like he is hot. He called right on top of my call. One of the things I'm going to look at here when I'm setting up on this bird is the area around me. I've got a field off to my right, and I've got a stream over my shoulder to the left. I've got open hardwood straight out in front of me. I have a feeling the bird's not going to come this way because it's just too thick and I have the stream behind me. With that being said, if I set up this way to cover straight out, if the bird does sneak in on me, I'm not going to be able to get around because I'm going to also have issues with this tree. He just gobbled again. I'm going to set up on this side of the tree. That way, when the bird comes in, if he comes down through these open hardwoods, or if he comes out here into the field, I'm going to have a great opportunity to sit where I can swing on that bird. By quartering to the bird, I'm going to have the best position so if the bird does sneak around to the left, I'm going to still be able to swing around this way, and I can cover everything out here in front of me because I'm right-handed. This is something that's often forgotten. Many people just think, set up behind a big tree that's going to block my cover. But sometimes it's better when you're almost quartering to the bird. That way you have an easier time shooting, setting up, and ultimately getting the best shot that you can.